if I look at my assemblies bills of material, and I'm going to look at HRS beacon. Here I've got some items that, actually that's not the best place to show this, so I'm going to hotkey into the stock record and look at all the HRS items. So that hotkey into the stock was Control F5, and it's just picking up the part number and jumping across into the stock. Now if I look at the manufacture tab, and I've got a 14 days lead time at the top level, 7 on the body assembly and 21 on the RF board. These lead times are for the manufacture of that level of the sub-assembly. The top level part is the beacon. It's not taking 14 days to make the whole beacon. This is just the final assembly. And if I look at the pricing, these are the lead times of the individual components. So when you're specifying lead times, you've got to bear in mind it's only at that level, because you don't know whether you're going to have to buy and make everything at all the sub-assembly levels, or you've actually got some sub-assemblies and odd stock around you. Now the next bit is quite useful from looking at this from an overall lead time point of view, and this comes on to another topic as well, which is the orange clickable headers. So here I've got preferred supplier and component description, and if you're not aware, that anywhere where you've got an orange heading, you can actually click on it and choose what heading you wish to see there, and what data. Now I've had to put this in modify mode and then just click the orange header, and here I'm going to click lead time, and it's now picking up the lead time information where it's telling me at the beacon level there's 14 days final assembly allowed, but a total of 56 days including all the components and sub-assembly lead times. So this first sub-assembly is a 7-day assembly time. If I drill into it, we've got a 14 and 7-day lead time on those two components. So that's where we get the 21 days from in total, and these get rolled up. So we've got yeah, I did work through this and now I'm getting confused myself, but we've got 21 days assembly in there, and it's 42 days altogether plus these 14 days. So in this one we've got 21 days for the PCB itself and 21 days to assemble it. So there's the 42 days. Now to these 3 components and sub-assemblies, that's the longest one, plus the 14 days to do the whole final assembly. So this can be quite a useful view of lead time, but also in the use of the clickable headers, because I think most people leave it in the preferred supplier situation.